Today we're in Utah. We're at the Hog Springs Recreation Center, and we're going to do a technical canyon called Hogwarts. One of my favorite canyons. I think this is my third time through. I've got Troy with me. Excited to show him this place. And then we got Carl Decker from Carl Decker Presents. And I'm excited to show him that too. I'm just excited to show you guys all of this stuff.
You say you don't know where you go, so come.
Wow.
The wind in your hair, birds keep flying away, away, away. Ooh, lost in your world. Ooh, memories of home. Ooh, lost in your world. Ooh, looking for home.
There's even a monkey step.
When in doubt, send the new guy in. He's expendable.
Red shirt. Five, four, three, two, one. Rope! Rope!
Are you gonna be okay, or is that bad after you? Are you gonna be okay, or is that bad after you?
This was like easy.
Does it undercut deeply as you get around?
It does.
Okay.
As I get over there, I'm not gonna be able to push off.
This is the only tricky move.
Is that where you go?
No, I think I would stay down there. And you just kind of scoot around like you're doing.
Wow, my stress levels are usually high.
What could be making you stressed out? Yeah, we sent Carl to down climb this rappel. He failed miserably, but we lied to him, so, you know, it's not really his fault.
Natural anchors, what could go wrong?
Oh my God. And this is what he means by that. So yeah, thank you, Troy. This is a pretty gnarly rappel, in my opinion. He's obviously climbing as well as rappelling. And the big scene looks like this. So pretty intense.
This way.
Look at that guy. He's like a dog. God, Jerry.
Yeah!
All right, let's get the out of here.
Yeah.
Rope! This video may just end with a black screen and us talking about the last rappel.
It's gonna fade into campfire.
We'll be fine.
All right, so there they come. In from the darkness.
The length difference.
This is the Intimidator anchor. Nobody wants to rappel off of that flake. I've rappelled off of that thing twice now. It's been here for at least 8 years, but it still just looks sketchy. It'll be fine. I don't think you can see me at all. Anyway, last rappel of Hogwarts. Maybe I'll show you an old video of it instead. But I'm gonna get down this thing. They're both down at the bottom, and we're going back to camp. Just faintly make out Jerry's GoPro. There he goes. And it's pretty far. Nice. The eagle has landed. Say we got this done in the nick of time. All right. Rope. All right. Good day, guys.
Woo! No pain, no pain.
Got the spooky face lighting. Ooh, we're done here. Troy and I are gonna rest. Carl's gonna run up there so he can get shots of us coming up. I'm doing this for his cinematography, and now because I'm tired. I'm totally fine. You ready, Troy? You good?
Yeah, cinematography.
Yeah.
It's our priority.
Oh no! Elevation loss. Canyoneer is trying to stay dry. It's fine. We can get wet. It's fine. We're people. We're waterproof. Is he enjoying that a little too much?
It's fine. Come on, Jerry. You can trust it.
He says he's like a grown man, but I think he's a 12-year-old boy.